Hi everyone, welcome to Christina Welch Artistry. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the video that I did for the Great Piggy Switcheroo. My colors are TLP Cinnamon, Cappuccino, Honeycomb, Folk Art Peridot, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, and Craft Smart Gold for my base. I'm working on a 14 by 18 canvas, level 2 from Artist Loft. It's a nice canvas, better than your standard canvases. And you know, I'm doing a Dutch pour. I don't normally do these on small canvases. I like them on a large canvas. But I had to change it up so nobody knew who I was. So here is my TLP Cinnamon, one of my favorite colors from this little Piggy Pigments. And I mixed these with a little bit of heavy gloss gel after I dispersed the piggies in Josanya and added some Floetrol and a bit of water. This is Cappuccino, another one of my favorite colors. These are the two that I always have to get restocked because I use them quite a bit. This is a newer color. It's not the latest, but Honeycomb. It is the most gorgeous color, a beautiful orangey yellow. You can't say it's orange and you can't say it's yellow. It's just in between. And this is Master's Touch Pearlized Dark Blue. Reminds me of my Twilight Pearl in my paint line. And then we also will be using the Folk Art, Cobalt Blue Hue Metallic from Artist Loft. Almost screwed that one up, didn't I? Yikes. And then, of course, our Folk Art Peridot, the color that I used to use so many years ago. I'm trying to get away from craft paints, but there's still those colors that we absolutely love and don't want to get rid of. So I'm going to be using the Craft Smart Gold as my base. Super heavy. It's thin, but I'm putting it on super heavy. So when I blow out my Dutch pour, it has some movement. This color is very transparent, so you want to make sure that you get enough down so when you blow you don't see your canvas. So I'm going to leave it right here, and I'm going to let you guys watch my creation. And thank you for joining me today. Have a great day.